Hello everyone, welcome to English Elites. How are you guys? I hope you guys are fine. This question, how are you, comes to our mind whenever we meet someone known or unknown. But it kind of gets, boring that it kind of gets repetitive asking this question again and again. How are you? How are you? How are you? This is so boring. So let me tell you some new ways to ask how are you in a better way. So these are some ways in which you are going to say how are you in a better way. First one is how are you doing? It's kind of similar to how are you anyway, and it's one of the most used ones. It's very common. Next one is how have you been? So this one you can use when you meet someone after a very long time or even for the first time. Third one is how's it going? This one you can ask when you want to know what is going on with your life. How's it going or how's things are going? Next one is what's going on? So this one you can ask them when something is going on in their life or you want to know that what are they doing currently. So this question you can ask at that time. What's going on? It's obviously a way to ask how are you. Next one is what's new or what's new with you. So this one is for someone who you already know, because obviously you are asking them what's new. So obviously you might know that something was going on earlier and what is going on right now. So that you want to know, that time you are going to ask what's new or what's new with you. The next one is what's up. Now this you can use with the person who is your age or maybe your younger one, not with the elders, because it's kind of very casual and friendly. The next one is what are you up to? This is a question you ask when you want to know somebody's work or what he's going to do next in his life. Maybe you know about them. So that's when you are going to ask this question. Next one is how are things going? Now this one is the same. This is similar to this one, like how's it going or how are things going. It's the similar one. It is just a different way to ask. Next one is how are you feeling? This question is can be asked at that time when you kind of want to know about how the person is feeling at that point of time. So that's when you can ask this question. The next one is how's things? Now see, how's things? How are things going? What's going on? These are very, very similar ways to ask how are you. This is just, now you can use this. This is a very casual one. This you can use with your friends, with someone younger. Alright. Next one is how's life? When you want to know about somebody's life or maybe you have met them after a very long time. So then you can ask this question, how's life? Next one is how's your day been? Now this question it's kind of very particular over here because you are asking this asking them about their day, how their day had been. And this question you have to ask at the end of the day, not in the beginning or in the mid of the day, because you are asking this how's your day been. All right. The next one is how's your day going? Now this is the question you can ask in the mid of the day. Alright, that how's your day going? Because maybe you work with someone and you met them at some particular point of time, maybe at the lunch time or sometime. Alright, so at that time you can ask this question, that how's your day going? Next one is are you alright? Now this question is kind of you're asking somebody that is that person all right. It's not actually that are you all right or there's something wrong with you. No, it's not like that. It's just a way the English asks this question as they're asking how are you? Are you all right? So the next one is how do you do? This is a formal one. This you can use at your workplace or maybe in a very formal way when you're meeting somebody. All right? How do you do? The next one is are you well? This one is kind of very posh and it's kind of British. The next one is how do you fare? Now this one is kind of very old and it's not commonly used now. And this is also used in Britain very much, not anywhere else. How are things coming along? This you can ask to your colleague at your workplace. All right, that if he had joined new and you want to ask them that how things are going or something like that. So maybe at that time you can use this. How are things coming along? The next one is how's your health? So now this one is kind of specific that you are asking about somebody's health. All right. So if somebody is ill or maybe not feeling good or not feeling well, so you can ask them how's your health? Now these ones are the very commonly used in US. All right, and these are some fun ones which you can use with your friends, basically not in a formal way but in a very casual way. First one is howdy. Second one is how's it hanging? The next one is how's tricks? And the last one here is what's sizzling? So guys, I hope you liked the video and got to know some new ways of asking how are you. Please press the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.